Good morning, class. Today we will discuss how force is proportional to mass and acceleration. So, we know that force is directly proportional to mass. A slim girl is taking a swing. So, now we will take another girl, which is a fat. Fat girl is also taking another swing. Now, I apply force on girl to move that girl. So it has lesser mass. So then the force would be lesser to move that girl. But in this case of fat girl, it has more mass. So we need more force to push that girl. So we can also say that our force is directly proportional to mass. If I increase the mass, then we will need to increase the force also. So I need to apply more force to the girl to push the girl of heavy mass. So but I need a less amount of force to push a girl of lesser mass. So lesser force is required to push a girl of lesser mass. Similarly, higher force is required to push a girl of higher mass. So how force is directly proportional to acceleration. Suppose I take a slim girl. Slim girl is taking a swing. So now on the application of very less force, then the acceleration will be very less. So girl will move a little bit. On the application of lesser force, the acceleration would be less. Acceleration is basically rate of change of velocity. So if I apply lesser force, then the girl will move a little bit, and we can say that acceleration will be less. Now if I apply more force on that girl, on the application of more force, then the girl will move more. We can also say that acceleration would be higher. So we can say that if we increase the force, then the acceleration would be increased. But if I decrease the force, then the acceleration would be lower. Now I'll take this, that how mass is inversely proportional to acceleration. So I'll applying same force on the girl having more mass and on the girl having less mass. Same force on the girl having more mass and on the girl having less mass. Now on the application of force, the girl with more mass, that is the fat girl, will move very less. But if same force applying on the slim girl, the girl will move more, that is the acceleration would be more. The girl with less mass on the application of same force will produce more acceleration as compared to the girl which is heavy. By applying same force on it, the acceleration would be lower due to its higher mass. So we can say that mass is inversely proportional to acceleration. If I increase the mass, then the acceleration would be lower. If I decrease the mass, then the acceleration would be high in case if I apply same force on both sides. Thank you.